Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Ben Daddy. Please don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. So this took about 5 liters of 5W20. This is the scene where I take off those two tabs to access the cabin filter. So you just use a little flathead screwdriver and try to pry it out. It'll come out easily. Like that. Again, right there, pry it easily, and it should just come right off like that. So after that, it should flop down the glove box compartment, and then right there is the cover for the cabin filter. So those two plastic tabs right there, you just squeeze them together towards the middle and it should pop out. It's kind of hard to do it one hand and then record on the other, but managed to get it done right there. And same thing on this side, squeeze towards the middle of both sides and then it should pop off like that. This cabin filter was pretty dirty, guys. So what the cabin filter does is it prevents, dust, pollen, or leaves from going into the air. So it traps it there. And this right here is the air filter. So this one's pretty simple enough to take the old one out and then try to squeeze that new one back in. You just gotta fight with it. You'll eventually get in there after a couple of seconds of fighting with the thing, but after that, then you just sort of make it flush top and bottom, and then try to clip those two tabs up top, and then there's also two in the bottom on the back side, which I'm gonna show you right about now. There's one there and there's one on the left side also. It's kind of hard to do it while filming, so you guys get the idea. And that's how you would change the air filter on this Hyundai Santa Fe. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Daddy. So we have a Hyundai Santa Fe 2012. I just did a oil change on it. It's pretty easy. Underneath there's a 17mm drain plug, and then the oil filter is right in front. PH9688 for frap. Anyways, this could be a DIY for anybody. It's pretty simple. You could access it easily. So I also did the air filter. Again, that's kind of easy too. There's 4 metal tabs. There's 2 up top and then 2 on the back bottom. You just sort of unclip it and then you just push the housing of the air filter, and then you can sneak it out and then sneak the new one back in, as you guys saw. And also the cabin filter right there, that one is also easy. There's like 2 plastic tabs. You just gotta pry with like a little screwdriver and it should pop down like that. Anyways, I didn't put that together just yet because we're waiting for the cabin filter to arrive. But I just took it for a quick road test and I'm gonna show you guys what this Hyundai Santa Fe looks like. There it is, guys. Oh, check out that airplane. Beautiful day today, nice and sunny. So yeah, that's what this Hyundai Santa Fe looks like. 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe. So once again, that's not back together because I'm still waiting for the cabin filter to arrive. I might not be able to capture that in camera, but it's pretty simple enough reverse removal procedure to put it back together. And there's the view. I just want to take this opportunity, guys, to thank you all for your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please continue to support my channel. Click like, subscribe, share. I highly appreciate it. So once again, guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now. So the cabin filter actually came, guys. So I'm right here. I'm gonna show you guys how to put it back on, back in. So make sure that the arrow is pointing down in the direction of where the blower motor is, because it sucks air from the engine bay. And then right here I'm gonna put those 2 tabs in, which just put it through the hole like so and then push it in, and that's about it. And same on the other side. There you go, guys. So that's how you install a cabin filter on a 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.